Experience better days with a bigger, better 4G. Hutch 4G, now bigger and better.
15 fresh cases have been detected so far today, raising the number of active cases to 664. To date, a total of 1,988 people have returned to their daily lives after full recoveries. Among today's detections, 2 cases were from Rajangane in Anuradhapura and Lakpura in Polonnaruwa, both of whom are close associates of infected cases previously reported from the Kandakadu Rehabilitation Centre. In addition, 2 infected persons are from the Kundasale area in Kandy, who are also associates of infected individuals from the area. Among them are 4 cases from the Senapura Rehabilitation Centre and 4 associates of infected at the Kandakadu Rehabilitation Facility. Further, 3 arrivals from Oman placed under quarantine are also among the new detections. Meanwhile, the number of infected cases have risen to 17 from the Rajangane area alone. Meanwhile, 29 cases of COVID-19 were identified in the country yesterday. Among them are 14 staff members of the Kandakadu Rehabilitation Centre, 11 inmates of the Senapura Rehabilitation Centre and 2 associates of the infected identified from the Rajangane Yaya area. According to the commander of the army, the total number of infected stemming from the Kandakadu Rehabilitation Centre stands at 519. Among the 519 cases are 440 inmates and 63 members of the centre's staff. The remaining 16 are associates of the infected patient from Rajangane.
මේ සතිය ඉතාමත් වැදගත් වෙනවා. මොකද මේ සතිය තුල අපේ රටේ ජනතාවට අපි කියන්නේ අර එළියට යම්කිසි කොටසක් ඇවිල්ලා හිටියා මේ ගැන නොදැන නිමාඩු ඇවිල්ලා ඉඳලා මේ අවස්ථාව 9 වෙනිදා කන්දකාඩු වල වාර්තා වෙනවත් සමගම අපි ඔක්කොම ඇතුළට ගත්තත් ඔවුන් සමාජයේ ගැටිච්ච තැන් තිබෙනවා. ඉතින් ඒකින්ද මේක සමාජයට යන්නේ නැහැ කියන වචනේ කිසිසේත් අපිට කියන්නට හැකියාවක් නැහැ. ඒකින්ද අපි තවදුරටත් ඉල්ලා සිටිනවා අපේ ශ්‍රී ලාංකීය ජනතාවගෙන් මුඛාවරණය වළඳන්න අත්හොදන්න දුරත්වභාවය රැකගෙන කටයුතු කරන්න. මොකද යම්කිසි අවදානමක් ඊළඟ දින 3-4 5 තුල තිබෙනවා.
With an army officer from the Kitul Hitiava in Kakirava, Anuradhapura attached to the Kandakadu Rehabilitation Centre testing positive for COVID-19, the security forces took measures to place 5 of his family members in quarantine at the army's Diyatalava quarantine facility. Kakirava public health inspectors have also taken action to self-isolate nearly 25 members of 7 families who came into contact with the family members of the infected. Upon scrutinizing the travel history of an infected army officer deployed at the Kandakadu rehab facility residing in Pattiyapola, Tangol, it was identified that he visited a number of places, including a supermarket in the area, a state bank, several clothing stores and a salon. Accordingly, 17 persons from the clothing store and 4 persons from the salon have been directed to self-quarantine, while 15 persons belonging to 8 families exposed to the infected army officer have also been placed under quarantine. PHIs meanwhile took steps to close down 3 shops visited by the army officer due to violation of quarantine rules. An army officer attached to the Kandakadu Rehabilitation Centre residing in Kaduruvana Matara also tested positive for COVID-19, and accordingly 10 members of his family were transported to the Diyatalava quarantine centre. It was revealed that the infected officer had attended a funeral and 2 political meetings in the area, while authorities are in the process of identifying people exposed to him. Meanwhile, 2 army personnel from Godagama and Kandalanda in Homagama deployed at the Kandakadu Rehabilitation Centre have also been diagnosed with COVID-19, leading to their families being quarantined. In the meantime, an inmate of the Negombo prison who was admitted to the Negombo hospital for a PCR test fell to his death from the 8th floor of the hospital building while attempting to escape. After developing symptoms similar to that of COVID-19, the inmate was admitted to the hospital for a PCR test and was under guard by prison officers. The PCR test of the deceased is due to come out today. Another counsellor of the Kandakadu Rehabilitation Facility residing in Kalevana, Ratnapura, tested positive for COVID-19 yesterday, and members of his family were directed to the Diyatalava quarantine centre. Action was also taken to seal a state bank in the area, a fertilizer retail shop, an Ayurvedic dispensary and a furniture store after a close associate of the infected counsellor was found to have visited them. The sudden surge in the number of COVID-19 cases in the country have resulted in the closure of a number of shops across the island. What's more, another army officer serving as a counsellor at the Kandakadu Rehab Centre has also been diagnosed with the virus. While on vacation, the officer had visited the residence of his wife, which led to the self-isolation of a number of families in the Kahavatta area, including shopkeepers of 2 shops close by. Meanwhile, with several infected patients from the Kandakadu Rehab Centre having visited the Kandy district, nearly 300 residents were made to self-quarantine. Further, with a general manager of a private hospital in Ragama testing positive for COVID-19 after engaging in counselling at the Kandakadu Rehabilitation Centre, steps were taken to temporarily shut down the hospital and self-isolate its staff. Following another counsellor of the Kandakadu facility residing in Gampaha along with his driver testing positive for COVID-19, immediate steps were taken to quarantine their family members. Perusal of their travel history led to the shutting down of the Gampaha District Court, which was visited by the driver. It is also reported that the driver had frequented the Apeksha Hospital in Maharagama.